Let's start by navigating the various tools a serious trader needs to trade the forex market. First of all, you need to get yourself a phone, a PC, and internet connection. These are three most important things, then other stuff follow, such as TradingView. You need to register a TradingView account. You just need to go to tradingview.com. Let me show you guys how the website looks like. This is how the website looks like, tradingview.com. So you get yourself an account. That is, register an account is absolutely free, although there is a premium, but even with the free account you can still analyze the market. So after you finish registering, you will be allowed to access the charts. There are a lot of charts, even BTC. You can access BTC, USDT, whichever currency you want to trade. Even though it's not currency, it's crypto, whichever thing you want to trade in the market, you're able to access it here. So the next one we'll be talking about is MT4 and MT5. This is MT4 and MT5. We have MT4 and MT5 for PC. The main purpose of MT4 and MT5 is to place a trade. This is the application we use in placing trade in the market. After analyzing, you come down here, you place a trade. It has an option of you analyzing the market also, but different broker with different charts. So TradingView is just like a general chart. As you can see, if you should check this GBP USD on TradingView, there won't be this gap, but for this broker there is gap based on the time frame or the session they are trading the markets over, that is in their country. So the next thing we'll be talking about is journal. Journaling is very important. Let's assume you take a trade now. Maybe your trade take profit. That means you made a profit while trading. It's very important you journal it down. Even if you encounter loss, it's better you journal it down so that you learn from your losses, because as time goes on, when you continue trading, there are some times in which you start losing in the market. The easy thing you can do is just for you to go through your journal and check out those days you were winning in the market, so you easily know what you were doing as at that time and what you are doing currently that is making you to lose in the market. So this journal is very important. You can use notion.so. It's a website. Notion.so is absolutely free and you can create a journal. This is my own personal journal. You can also create your own yourself. This is the website, notion.so. So the next one we'll be talking about is regulated broker. So it's very important for you to register with regulated broker. These are the people that help you place trade in the market. Let's assume you want to buy GBP with your USD. That means you are selling USD to buy GBP. Any trade you want to place, is this broker that will help you place the trade in the market. And if you want to close out the trade, is this broker that will also help you sell and bring out your profits. So these brokers plays a vital role in the financial market. There are a lot of brokers out there. We have Forex, XNext, Ohanda, FXCM, OctaFX, a lot of them. So there are some brokers here in Nigeria. They are okay. I'll be recommending them to you guys. I'll be registering as time goes on those brokers websites. So guys, the next one is risk capital. You need to get yourself a capital to trade the market. It's very important, because without capital you won't be able to trade the market at all. So it's very important to get yourself a capital, because this capital will be used to trade in the market. That is the capital you deposit into your broker's account, that is your brokerage firm account, and use it to place trade and make profit. If your analysis are correct, you make profit, and when your analysis are not correct, you encounter loss in the market. So it's very important you have a capital, and you set aside a capital that you know if you should lose this capital, it won't affect you mentally. What you can afford to lose, that's what you use in trading. Although there are some companies who are offering people free, it's not like free capital, but you give them a stipend, just a little capital, let's say like $50, and once you give them like $50, they will give you a test. Once you pass the test, they will give you capital to trade, a larger capital. With your $50, you should be able to access up to $5,000 if you pass the test in the market, and you'll be sharing the profit like 80-20. That is, you'll be taking 80%, they'll be taking 20%. While some even offer up to like 90%, you will be taking 90%, they will be taking 10%. So take note of that. And we'll also be needing fundamental analysis too. There are some fundamental analysis too. The use of fundamental analysis tool is for you to know about the economic data of a particular country. Let's assume you are trading GBP or USD. USD is for America, GBP is for, that is, United Kingdom, and let's say America wants to drop a news. So it's on this platform you're able to know the particular time they want to drop the news and what the news is all about. The news might be about rate of unemployment in the country. So this kind of news affects their currency. So you know whether you are to buy or you are to sell in the market. You check out forexfactory.com. This is a website, forexfactory.com. These are their interface look like. So all what you just need to do, once you enter forexfactory.com, you change your time to your local currency, and that is your local country time. Once you click on the time here, so you select, I'm currently in Nigeria, so that's why I'm selecting West Central Africa. So if you're in America, you select your time zone and you click on save. So after doing that, or before you even do that, what you need to do is to register. You need to register, you need to create an account. It's absolutely free, and once you create an account, you change the time zone to the local time so that you know when news are to drop in the market. So it's not just only Forex Factory, there are some other ones such as my FS book. As you can see, my fsbook.com. So the same work they are doing. So we also have investing.com. So you can also check that one out. So guys, those are the key things you need to trade. For the MT4 and MT5, it is also available on your mobile phone and PC. This is how it looks like, just like I said, on PC. But for the phone, as time goes on, if you register on a brokerage firm and want to place a trade, for an example, I'll still show you guys how to navigate your way through your phone. So guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned.